I have finally figured it out after years of programming, and the hardest lesson in programming had nothing to do with learning another language. I thought the problem was lack of knowledge, but the problem was how I was learning the wrong way. I kept following long tutorials and wondering why nothing worked once the video ended. I remember finishing projects that worked perfectly during the tutorial, but everything broke the moment I changed one small thing. I felt frustrated because effort was high, but progress felt fake. I copied patterns without understanding why anything worked.
Who the starts a conversation like that? I just sat down.
I learned syntax fast, but solving real problems still felt slow and painful. I could write code that looked correct, but the moment something unexpected happened, everything collapsed. I realized learning this way felt like learning to swim by watching a documentary. I watched popular developers build impressive things and assumed speed came from intelligence. I later realized speed came from struggling through broken attempts repeatedly. I kept polishing small projects but avoided difficult problems because failure felt uncomfortable. I avoided deleting code because time already felt invested. I finally noticed progress only happened after deleting entire projects and starting again. I hated doing that, but rebuilding forced understanding instead of memory. I learned syntax early, but syntax never explained why a solution worked. I followed happy paths, therefore any deviation caused confusion. I relied on examples, but examples never matched real problems exactly. I chased completion instead of competence, therefore growth slowed down without noticing. I built features before understanding constraints, but complexity always caught up later. I tried to build software like building a house, starting with the roof. I started doing something uncomfortable. I began building small, ugly versions first. I forced myself to explain every line before keeping it. I deleted anything that felt copied instead of understood. I rebuilt the same idea multiple times until mistakes stopped repeating. I noticed learning became faster once frustration stopped being avoided. I stopped chasing perfect projects and started finishing imperfect ones. I stopped asking how something works and started asking why it breaks. The hardest lesson in programming was accepting that progress feels slow when learning correctly. I once rebuilt a personal tool 3 times in 1 month because the first 2 versions only worked by accident. The third version finally made sense because every failure explained something new. Build something that forces discomfort. Delete something that feels safe. Finish something that feels unfinished. Build the hard thing or stay a beginner forever.